Global Castings Private Limited, a state-of-the-art ductile iron foundry having a production capacity of 3,000 tons per month. Our manufacturing facility is located at the outskirts of Burdwan city, is well connected by the Durgapur Expressway to the port cities of Kolkata and Haldia. The plant is laid out on areas of 50 to 100,000 square feet of land. Design and documentation facilities are available both in 2D and 3D formats through active use of software like Creo and AutoCAD. Our state-of-the-art pattern shop has been installed with 5 numbers of CNC machines for pattern making. And we also have a router machine for making the wooden master patterns. The in-house pattern makings ensure development of new patterns with high degree of accuracy in shortest possible time. The plant is facilitated to produce single-piece castings from 2 kilograms to 3,000 kilograms. Our melting facilities are equipped with medium-frequency induction furnaces with 2 numbers of 1 ton per hour capacity and 4 numbers of 2 tons per hour capacity. We have recently installed 1 horizontal high-pressure line from Belloy and Romangali, Italy, producing 80 molds per hour. The multiple head molding system is designed to obtain constant hardness levels in the entire mold around its edges. It helps to achieve exceptional mold accuracy, resulting in less machining cost. Global Castings has also recently installed 1 vertical high-pressure molding line, producing 180 molds per hour. Vertical molding line offers high quality, higher production speed, and makes large molds faster than ever before. Our molding facility is also equipped with 2 pairs of RPAS 600 and 900 simultaneous jolt squeeze green sand molding machines from DISA, fully automated for mold handling and punch-out system. Our 100 TPH capacity automated sand plant from Saveli and 50 TPH capacities automatic sand plants from DISA are fully equipped with a sand reclamation system and cooling system. In order to make high-standard world-class castings with dimensional accuracy and surface finish, Global Castings run 5 cold box core shooters of various capacities to suit the casting requirements. Global Castings has installed a furan-based no-bake molding facility to manufacture single-piece castings weighing up to 3 tons. We have also installed 5 numbers of shot blasting machines from DISA and Gostel in order to give world-class standard casting surface finish. With a key focus on delivering on-time quality products, the global team follows a stringent process quality system to evaluate the quality of all incoming materials and outgoing products at every stage of manufacturing. The system is facilitated by a technically qualified team of dedicated personnel and a fully equipped laboratory with all modern equipments to meet the required quality norms. The manhole covers and gratings manufactured are tested in fully digital load test machine. We also do the pull-out test and the tilt test, which is required as per the new EN standards. The pipe fittings and the valves manufactured are all tested within the required PSI as per the required standards in the hydro testing machines. Our quality management systems have been certified by. We also hold the prestigious Kite Mark license and ICMQ license for manufacturing our ductile iron manhole covers and gratings as per EN 124:2 standards. Global Castings has received many prestigious awards. Since ultimate precision castings is the main goal of Global Castings, the same is being achieved by a highly skilled, qualified and dedicated workforce. Array of continuous upgradation of technology, innovative cost-cutting measure, adoption of automation, constant research and development. Team Global, by setting highest quality standards, is focused in providing complete casting solutions from design to delivery of products and building a family of satisfied and happy customers. In a short span of time, we have expanded globally and further interested to expand our customer base in the coming years. Believes in honesty is the best policy, and customer is supreme.